The human body operates like a highly complex biological engine. Over time, the microscopic machinery powering that engine naturally loses momentum. The gears begin to catch, and the result is the familiar sluggishness, delayed physical recovery, and brain fog we typically associate with getting older. Most of us try to solve this with a quick cup of coffee, but chemical band-aids like caffeine only mask the exhaustion. They force a tired system to work harder without repairing the mechanical slowdown causing the fatigue in the first place. This physical decline is not an unavoidable consequence of the calendar. It points directly to the depletion of a specific critical coenzyme in your cells called nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+. To generate energy, your cells need to transfer electrons from the food you eat to the mitochondria, the cell's power plant. NAD+ acts as the essential bridge carrying those electrons across the gap to produce ATP, the raw chemical energy required to sustain life. Without adequate NAD+, the conversion stalls. The macroscopic feeling of aging, heavy limbs, and afternoon exhaustion is actually the microscopic starvation of your cellular power plants. This graph plots human age against natural baseline NAD+ levels, and the data is clear. By the time a person reaches middle age, their internal NAD+ production can drop by as much as 50% compared to their youth. This presents an obvious question. If scientists know exactly which molecule the body is missing, why can't we simply put it back? You cannot effectively consume raw NAD+. The molecule is too large and complex to penetrate the cell wall intact, meaning a direct oral supplement of pure NAD+ is virtually useless to your biology. Combating the natural aging process requires solving a highly complex delivery problem. We need a way to get the necessary materials inside the cell so the body can rebuild its own NAD+ supply from scratch. The solution lies in precursors. These are smaller biological building blocks that can easily slip through the cell wall and be synthesized into NAD+ locally. This chart maps 4 distinct chemical pathways these precursors can take. The first route relies on standard niacin, or vitamin B3. While it eventually creates NAD+, it forces the cell through a long, convoluted conversion process that frequently causes an uncomfortable skin flushing reaction. The second pathway uses nicotinamide, or ANM. It has a low conversion efficiency, and taking it in high doses can actively inhibit the vital cellular repair processes you are trying to support. The third route is nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN. This is a strong option that reliably boosts NAD+, though some users report it can trigger mild gastrointestinal side effects. The fourth pathway utilizes a specialized compound called nicotinamide riboside, heavily researched under its patented form, Niagen. This precursor acts as the ultimate biological workaround. It bypasses the cellular bottlenecks, rapidly converts into NAD+ with exceptionally high efficiency, and does so without causing skin flushing. Selecting the correct chemical pathway means you stop fighting your biology's natural limitations and start actively optimizing its output. Once Niagen successfully bypasses the cell wall and spikes internal NAD+ concentrations, it sets off a cascading biological defense across your entire system. First, the mitochondria immediately utilize the fresh abundance of NAD+ to produce ATP at peak capacity. This ensures your cells have the chemical resources to operate continuously, yielding steady, reliable stamina throughout the day. Second, that exact same abundance of NAD+ awakens a specific class of dormant proteins called sirtuins. Sirtuins are the guardians of the human genome. When activated, they patrol your system to manage inflammation and directly repair the DNA damage caused by daily environmental stress. Supplementing with Niagen provides a temporary surge in daily energy, but its true biological value is the total reactivation of the body's native repair machinery to delay physical aging. Navigating the modern supplement landscape requires distinguishing between basic maintenance and active optimization. Traditional multivitamins are formulated strictly to fill nutritional gaps and prevent severe deficiencies. This visual metaphor breaks it down. Traditional vitamins serve as the inert building blocks of health. A targeted NAD+ booster like Niagen functions as the biological spark plug, providing the exact chemical pulse your cells need to efficiently utilize those blocks. The cognitive payoff is measurable. The human brain consumes roughly 20% of the body's entire energy supply. Maintaining high NAD+ pathways ensures consistent neural energy production, preserving focus, memory retention, and long-term brain health. Physically, this elevated metabolic efficiency translates directly to physical stamina that far outlasts the short-lived spikes and inevitable crashes of standard stimulants. Proactive health requires looking past macroscopic symptoms like fatigue or brain fog and maintaining the microscopic cellular engines that dictate your daily physical reality. Optimizing these biological processes takes a highly targeted, personalized strategy. Purchasing random products off a shelf rarely yields maximum cellular absorption. Professional wellness centers like Prime IV Hydration and Wellness provide the scientifically validated guidance required to integrate advanced compounds into your routine. By assessing your specific physiological baseline, clinical experts ensure safe, effective NAD+ restoration tailored directly to your lifestyle goals. By understanding and commanding your cellular chemistry, you stop letting time dictate your energy levels and become the active architect of your own vitality.